I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that.
Please pause the video. Only a small percentage of you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel really helps me out. And while you're at it, smash that like button. Now let's get on with the show. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review Studio, and welcome back to another 2001 A Space Odyssey model kit review. This time it is the Moebius models, 1:1 scale HAL 9000. This is kit number 2001-5. This was released a couple of years ago and I never reviewed it, but I thought I'd go ahead and throw it on my channel for you all to see. It's still in its shrink wrap, as you can see. And like I said, it is true to scale, as we call studio scale, to the original HAL 9000. And everybody, I mean, you'd have to be not of this planet to not know what this means and what it was for the famous Stanley Kubrick 2001 A Space Odyssey. So they tell us here that it is lighted. We do get an LED with this. So we'll check this out. Light up LED eye, as it says there. And just as a reminder, I am on Facebook and I do admin a few pages out there. One of them that may be of interest to you is the 2001 A Space Odyssey Master Model Builders, and we have some wonderful contributors on there, people that are actually involved with the original movie or with producing fantastic publications about this great movie. So head over there. It's fully moderated by myself, and that way we keep all the spam out, all the t-shirt sales and all the junk out of there. But you can see here it's nothing but 2001 A Space Odyssey. So I'll put a link down below for this page, and please join us. Let's see how many people are currently in this one. A little over 3,000 people. Also, I have created a playlist for all my 2001 A Space Odyssey model kit reviews. Currently there's 8 of them on the list, and this will be number 9. And I plan on adding more and more to it, as I have quite a few more kits to show you in my collection. I'll also put a link down below and at the end of the video and up above. You can click right up above there to a link to this playlist. Now let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and have a look. And of course, I love how they did the old Aurora style boxing for this. We'll go ahead and look inside. Okay, here we go. We have some dark gray plastic parts here. The instructions, typical Moebius models instructions. We'll look at those here in a second. We have the clear lens for HAL, and of course the main body made of plastic, and the water slide decals. We'll look at those too And it looks like the electronics here, the LED light and such for it. And to give you a view what's on the back side of the box. And you can pause the video if you need to see it a little bit longer. I mean, they went all out with the graphics on this box, which they didn't do for the space station. That's a little bit disappointing. They could have really utilized that big, large box as maybe a paint guide for us and all that. Let's quickly look at the instructions. And just a simple fold out here with about 3 overall steps with sub steps down below, and they describe everything in detail on the left side and give us a breakdown of everything going on there. They recommend a 9-volt battery for this, but I'm sure you could modify it for different voltage or even external voltage, plug in the wall type voltage if you wanted. And then of course a little bit of a painting guide here. Black, aluminum, silver, semi-gloss black, flat black, gunmetal. There you go. Let's go ahead and look at the parts in closer detail. And here's the clear parts. And see how it looks underneath. Very clear. I don't know if the idea here is to go ahead and tint this in a red clear paint, but or just the clearness works in its own. Give me your thoughts down below in the comments what you think should be done with this clear part of HAL. Same here, the smaller one. This is the one that's internal. A little more distortion going on there, but that's what we want, I believe. Here's the speaker grill. And it's not hollow or anything like you would think a grill would be, so you may have to hollow that yourself. There's very fine circles there that need to be drilled out individually. And here's the lens, which would be the base of the lens itself, right? We know our clear parts would go on top of that, the smaller one inside and then the larger one there. And the outer ring. And the base itself, which right away is something they did here I don't like. Moebius Models is known for doing this with some of their parts. They just tear them away from the tree. A lot of times that affects the part itself. In this case here, it's very close. Give you a close view there. It could create an unsmooth edge because of what they did. And I don't know why they just don't cut it. Instead, they just tear it away or break it away. So, bad for you, Moebius models. And here's the water slide decals that came with this kit. And this is from 2019, so I believe I picked this up only a couple years ago because it is still readily available, and I'll put a link down below on how you can purchase this kit for yourself. But this has been sitting in my very hot garage in the summertime here in southern Arizona, so they seem to survive pretty well there. But it looks like it's in good registration. Of course, this goes on the HAL panel on the top, and the rest is, looks like maybe the lens, focal points of the lens and all that. So they do give us some details for that, which is pretty cool, I think. This is what was in the electronics bag. Some 3M tape. And of course the LED, the red LED, and the 9-volt connection, along with an on and off switch. Very simple setup here. I'm pretty sure there's some aftermarket out there. You can probably put a soundboard on it to get the HAL voice from the movie. But there you go, that's that. And the main body for HAL, all plastic, like I said. Does give us the year this came out, which is 2019. You can see that there. Pretty sturdy. Spot for the on and off switch. Looks good. And there you have it. That was the Moebius Models 2001 A Space Odyssey HAL 9000 1:1 scale. Part number 2001-5. Let me know in the comments what you think about this kit. Let me know if you've already built this and how it works out. Also, let me know if there are any aftermarket sound cards or soundboards for this to make it even more dynamic than what it could be. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.